Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for breaking news, money updates, and the stories that impact your life directly. Today, I have some incredible news that's going to bring a lot of hope and relief, especially for our senior community who have long been waiting for meaningful support to help them face rising costs and maintain their dignity. Senator Bernie Sanders' latest proposal, which many of you have been hearing whispers about for months and eagerly anticipating, has officially been signed into law. And here's the big headline. Starting today, seniors across the country are receiving automatic monthly stimulus checks of $1,800. Yes, you heard me right, $1,800 every single month directly deposited into the bank accounts of all qualifying seniors. This is not just a one-time payment like some of the previous stimulus checks you might remember. This is a recurring, consistent boost designed to help seniors weather the rising cost of living, medical expenses, and everyday necessities that continue to strain their fixed incomes. It's a massive step toward addressing the financial hardships that many elderly Americans have faced in recent years. Inflation has been brutal, and fixed incomes simply can't keep up, leading many seniors to make heartbreaking choices between paying for medication, keeping the lights on, or putting food on the table. This program, championed passionately by Bernie Sanders himself, aims to change that reality once and for all. To understand the true magnitude of this, think about what $1,800 a month could do for you or someone you love who is living on a tight budget and struggling every month to make ends meet. For many seniors, paying for groceries, prescription medications, heating bills during the harsh winter months, or even transportation costs to see their doctors or loved ones can become completely overwhelming and anxiety-inducing. This extra monthly income provides a real, tangible lifeline, giving people more freedom and peace of mind, and most importantly, allowing them to live with the dignity they deserve. No more having to make impossible choices between buying food or filling a prescription or skipping meals to afford utilities. It's about dignity, security, and most importantly, a better quality of life that all seniors deserve after a lifetime of hard work and contribution to society. Now, you might be wondering who exactly qualifies for these monthly payments. That's a great and important question. This program is specifically designed for seniors aged 62 and older, which is an important detail because it includes those who may not yet be receiving full Social Security benefits but are still considered seniors and in need of support. The age cutoff allows early retirees to benefit as well, providing a broader safety net for millions. In addition to age requirements, seniors must be U.S. citizens or legal residents, have a valid Social Security number, and meet income limits. The income caps are set at about $75,000 per year for individuals and $120,000 for couples filing jointly. So, it's targeted at those who truly need financial help, not everyone, which ensures that resources are focused on the most vulnerable. What's really convenient and reassuring is that for the majority of seniors already receiving Social Security benefits, there is nothing new to do at all. The government already has their banking information on file, so the payments are being sent out automatically starting today. This means no extra paperwork, no complicated application processes, and no standing in line or stressing over whether you'll get approved. Just money hitting your account without any extra steps. For seniors who are eligible but not currently on Social Security, there's an easy-to-use online portal and a dedicated hotline to register and verify eligibility. The process is simple and designed with seniors in mind, so no one gets left behind or confused by complicated forms. So, when can you expect to see the money? If you're already receiving Social Security, it's as simple as checking your bank account in the next day or two. Many people are already reporting deposits this morning, which is incredibly exciting and a relief for countless households. For those enrolling now through the portal or hotline, you can expect a little processing time, about 1 to 2 weeks before payments start arriving, but the government is moving fast to make sure no one waits unnecessarily. And this isn't just a short-term measure or a temporary band-aid. The plan is to continue these $1,800 monthly payments for at least 12 months. There will be a comprehensive review at the end of the year to assess how the economy is doing, how seniors are benefiting, and whether it makes sense to extend or adjust the program to meet ongoing needs. It's a flexible and responsive approach designed to meet evolving economic realities. Imagine the impact this will have on millions of lives. Many seniors live on fixed incomes, often struggling to keep up with inflation, which in recent years has pushed prices on everything from food to utilities to healthcare to levels that are just unsustainable for many. The average Social Security benefit in the U.S. is roughly $1,500 per month, so an additional $1,800 is more than doubling that income for many seniors. That extra money can literally be the difference between struggling and thriving. It's not just about survival, it's about dignity. It's about being able to afford the medications you need without having to ration pills or skip doses, keeping the heat on during cold months without anxiety about the next utility bill, or simply enjoying a little peace of mind knowing you won't have to skip meals to pay medical expenses. The emotional and mental relief this stimulus will provide is just as important as the financial aspect, offering seniors the confidence and security they deserve in their golden years. There's also an added economic benefit, too. When seniors have more spending power, they tend to spend it locally at grocery stores, pharmacies, small businesses, and community services, which stimulates local economies and can help create a positive ripple effect beyond just the individual recipient. It's a win-win for communities and the economy at large. Of course, every major government program invites some debate and criticism. Some voices have raised concerns about the cost of this program and its impact on the national debt. Others worry that injecting this much money into the economy could drive inflation even higher, making prices worse in the long run. These are valid concerns to consider, but it's important to understand the full context. Bernie Sanders and his supporters argue that investing in seniors is one of the best investments society can make. When seniors are financially secure, they rely less on emergency services, have fewer hospital visits, and experience better overall health outcomes. That, in turn, reduces long-term healthcare costs for the government and for families caring for their elders. There's also broad agreement among economists that targeted payments like this, going to the most vulnerable rather than broad stimulus checks for everyone, are much less likely to cause runaway inflation. The program also includes income caps to make sure it's focused on those who need the help most, avoiding unnecessary payouts to wealthy seniors. For seniors who haven't received the stimulus automatically, the government has set up a straightforward sign-up process. You can go to the official website where the interface is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, or you can call the dedicated hotline to speak with a representative who will walk you through the steps patiently. You'll need your Social Security number, proof of age, and proof of residency handy to complete the process smoothly. Once you're verified, you can choose to have your payments deposited directly into your bank account or mailed to you as a paper check depending on your preference and what makes you feel most secure. It's also worth noting the emotional impact this announcement has already had on seniors across the country. We've been hearing heartfelt stories from people who say this money will change their lives in ways they never imagined. Mrs.